Scoliosis bracing should be very much seen as a tool. And like a tool, it needs to be worked. You know, you take a master craftsman and you give him a tool from the dollar store, he's still going to be able to build a beautiful piece of furniture with a dollar hammer. You give a $150 hammer from Home Depot to a person who doesn't know what they're doing, and they're not going to be able to do anything with it. So the brace must be seen as a tool. You want to get your bracing designed, built, and most importantly, fit and followed up by somebody who has a tremendous amount of experience with bracing. Here at Strauss Method, we're building approximately 150 braces every year, and we have a lot of experience with bracing. Bracing requires a learning curve. You don't get good at it until you've done many of them. Most authorities would say a minimum of 50 braces a year. Unfortunately, there are people out there that are only doing 2 or 3 braces a year. They can never get good at it in that situation. So my job really is to act as a consultant for those people. They send the patient here, we build, design, and fit the brace, and then we'll send them back to that particular doctor for their follow-up. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.